committing the perfect crime. No witnesses, no fingerprints. You disappear into the crowd within seconds, convinced you've gotten away forever. But what if, at that very moment, dozens of silent eyes were already tracking your every move? Cameras mounted on traffic lights, shops, office buildings, parking lots, and even passing buses may have captured the tiny details you never noticed. The truth is more shocking than most people realize. Modern CCTV cameras don't just record crimes, they help investigators recreate them second by second. Every single day, millions of CCTV cameras record billions of hours of footage across the world. Most people believe these cameras become useful only after a crime has happened, but that's only a small part of the story. Their real power lies in connecting hundreds of tiny clues that criminals unknowingly leave behind. Imagine a robbery takes place outside a jewelry store. Within seconds, the thief grabs the valuables and vanishes before the police arrive. At first, it seems impossible to identify the suspect. There are no eyewitnesses, and the criminal has already disappeared. But this is exactly where the investigation truly begins. Instead of relying on a single camera, investigators collect footage from every CCTV camera surrounding the crime scene. One camera captures the suspect leaving the store. Another records them crossing the street. A third shows them entering a narrow alley. A fourth catches them walking toward a nearby parking lot. One by one, each camera reveals another piece of the mystery. Slowly, the suspect's escape route begins to form like a giant puzzle. But here's where things become even more fascinating. Investigators don't simply watch the footage once. They examine every second with incredible attention to detail, searching for clues that most people would never notice. The color of a jacket, the pattern on a pair of shoes, a backpack, a tattoo, the direction someone turns, or even the unique way they walk can all become powerful evidence. In fact, every person has a distinctive walking style known as gait, and in some investigations, that alone has helped identify a suspect. Now imagine the criminal changes clothes after escaping. They throw away their jacket, put on a cap, and believe they've outsmarted the cameras. But have they really? Not even close. Investigators continue following the suspect across multiple camera angles. Even if the clothes change, the timeline doesn't. Cameras may capture the exact moment the suspect changes appearance, enters another street, meets someone, or gets into a waiting vehicle. Every new camera adds another piece to the story, and that's where modern technology changes everything. Many CCTV systems are now powered by artificial intelligence. Instead of forcing investigators to watch hundreds of hours of footage manually, AI can search for a person wearing specific clothing, identify the exact time they appeared, and even trace their movement across multiple cameras. A process that once took days can now take only a few hours. But criminals still make one mistake over and over again. They spend all their energy hiding their face, while forgetting that everything else is leaving a trail. The vehicle they enter, the direction they travel, the people they meet, and the exact time they appear on different cameras all become clues that investigators can connect. So what happens when a camera never captures the suspect's face clearly? How can police still identify the criminal with remarkable accuracy?